Hey. Chill. Okay, it's your pill.
Blue,
Alright. I think that's good.
I need to talk with you, alright?
I'm sorry, man.
Why?
Excuse me, I got wood.
Well, my bad.
Hey, get on that side and pull this way.
Okay. Hey, nice fire pit, Shaniqua. Yeah, nice fire pit.
Looks like we can roast people in it.
Yeah, that's what
Alright, I'm gonna run over here and get some more sticks, because that ain't gonna be enough. Okay.
Well, I think I'm gonna sit down.
Shaniqua will start building a fire.
Yay.
Woo.
Okay, let's run away now. Let's go and put one that's in the
Shaniqua is beginning to make a fire.
I don't know. Hey, is this a safe thing to get in? It's so beautiful out here. I mean, really, like, I love camping. I love camping. Why?
Do you see the bugs in my face right now? Like, really?
Get over it. For real.
I'm not gonna get over it.
Wow. That's just ridiculous.
It's just stupid. I think you're stupid. I'm gonna poison ivy and poison oak.
Brooke,
Don't use the
tomorrow,
5 lane.
I'll talk to you.
I guess.
What's going on? What? Yeah, what's going on?
I'm sorry. When we started dating, you were like 200 pounds, and now you've lost it and you're like 245 or something like that. I think you just lost too much weight. And I like my women fluffy.
I lost that weight for you.
Well, I'm sorry, I just don't like little girls. I like them bigger.
Whatever.
Whatever.
Yeah. So tomorrow we're going swimming. Totally just swimming. I can't believe a bug just hit me in my face.
Alright, hey, what do we need to do?
Shaniqua, wasn't that funny?
Is there anything left we need to do?
Do we need more firewood? I think you should
Yeah,
get
we'll
some.
kill you.
I'll go with you.
Come on, Shaniqua.
It won't kill you!
I didn't know. What'd you do?
I told her, I said that she just was fluffy. I mean, she wasn't fluffy enough anymore. She just lost too much weight. So, I don't know.
Yeah, so...
Hey, if she's all
I
kicked
can't wait to
off
go
and
swimming.
talking like
I hope it's
that's
awesome.
just try not.
I'm gonna look.
Okay, I'm gonna be over here for a little bit.
I've lost so much weight.
Really? You lost weight?
Yeah.
When?
Oh, I'm guessing like you didn't hear.
Hear what? What happened?
I just got broken up with because apparently I'm too skinny.
Hey, Blue,
And
come here.
Blue likes his
Come,
women
Shaniqua.
hefty.
I'm screwed.
Yeah, Brooke. Not that he didn't mention your name before he talked to me.
I can't help it.
Alright, I put the firewood over there. What are we talking about?
Hey guys, what are you talking about?
None of your business.
Fine.
Swimming tomorrow. So, you excited?
Definitely.
Even though it's gonna be super
We're going
freezing
swimming?
cold. Yeah.
So,
Maybe if it doesn't rain.
Oh yeah, it might rain. Dude, it's okay. It's a little flooding thing, but it's all good.
well, I was so happy that it stopped raining.
Bugs are in her face. Are you gonna live?
Yeah.
You sure?
I'm gonna go take a walk,
I can
guys.
take care of myself. I will live.
You will.
I will live off.
Okay. Whatever. Alright.
Alright, you guys want to go swimming tonight instead of tomorrow?
Tonight?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah, right now.
Right now.
Why are you sitting such
So like right now?
Because I want to sit beside it. Why? Why do you care?
Why is it any of your business? I think we should go swimming.
You want to?
Yeah, let's go.
Shaniqua will not be swimming.
Well,
Brooke,
I'm
you
not
want to help you?
swimming either.
Well, I'll get changed real
Hey,
fast.
let's throw our stuff in the tent.
Yeah. Alright, hurry up because I need to get changed. Hey! Guys, don't tear down the tent.
Alright.
I'll walk down there, but I'm not swimming.
Rain about everything.
Because it's cold.
Whatever.
Well, I got changed.
Guys, let's just change when we get down there.
Nope.
I mean, don't you agree with me, Shaniqua? Really?
I will not be swimming today.
Shaniqua, come on.
flowers.
Stop. Okay, you promised no homo while we were camping. Come here. Come here, little flavor. You better not be watching me when I change later.
Okay, I got
Alright.
towels.
Let's go.
Okay, right here.
Oh, what's this over here?
You got it? Alright, yeah, we're gonna go swimming here. Hold that.
Oh man, guys, I really don't want to do this.
Thanks, guys.
Wow, you guys, it's going so cold, dude.
It is so cold. I will not be swimming in that.
Oh my gosh, guys, I'm going to freeze. I am going to, a certain part of my manly body will look like a prune by the time we are finished.
Hey, friend.
Yep.
That's why I will not be getting in there.
Oh man, oh my gosh. It's cold.
My gosh.
Hey, you guys go and swim. I have to pee.
I don't think so.
No, I really do have to pee.
Daniel, come on.
I have to pee.
Blue,
No, I have to pee.
blue, Libra. Wow, it is way too cold to be going swimming. I don't even know why we wanted to. Wait, stop, please, no. What was that? Tanner? Blue! What?
Tanner's dead.
What? He's dead?
Yeah. He's dead.
Oh my god!
Did you guys hear that?
Yeah! Let's go! Where is he?
Over here.
Some crazy stuff, man.
Oh my god. He's dead.
Oh my god.
From CIS.
Okay, don't show him. Now bring it.
Looks like a
Hey, put it out.
blunt
Oh
trauma.
my gosh. Blue! It looks like you got hit in the head with something. Blue!
Oh my god, you guys,
Why?
he really is dead.
Who? How did he do it? How did he die?
I have no idea. It looks like he hit his head on the rock.
Oh my god.
What happened?
I think.
What should we do?
I don't know.
Should we take him back?
No,
we can't take him back.
No, then they'll think that we killed him.
But we can't just leave him here.
No, we can.
This
We
is my
can
this
leave
was my
him
best
here.
friend.
And he was my ex-boyfriend.
Your ex-boyfriend?
Yeah.
What? Ah, okay. Wow, I can't believe Tanner's gone. Oh my god, it's horrible. I can't believe he's gone. It's just hard to take in. How did it happen?
Yay!
Wow.
I gotta go pee.
Okay, be safe.
Oh, I will.
How? I don't see how this could have happened. This is horrible. What are we gonna do? I'm just. It's so hard. I don't understand.
Fire. Fire.
Did he fall? His head like was landed on the rock.
Fire.
I know. I know.
Fire.
I'm gonna pee. I don't.
Well, join tomorrow. They're all gonna pee.
Shaniqua, take a seat.
I'm fire.
There's no time for this.
Ah! Fire.
Wow. The bar's been gone a really, really long time.
Yeah.
What was that? Oh my gosh.
Fire.
Okay. Let's go find Bar and Megan. Okay? Can you do this?
You get out of here. You go find them.
Okay, I'll go find them.
I'm fixing with the fire.
Lollipop, lollipop, oh, lollipop.
Oh, hey, wait, what's that? Wait, no! Thought you got rid of me, didn't you, son of a piss-eating bulldog?
What the French toast?
Oh, you little cootie queen.
Who you calling a cootie queen? You liquor.
Where's everybody at?
They're all dead.
Oh, no, you know what? I'm just about to, no,